I should have told you before now. You take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toot.